To replace an auger blade on your snowblower, use an 11mm wrench to secure the nuts and a T27 Torx bit to unthread the 4 bolts, securing the 2 ends of the blade. Use a 7/16" socket to unthread the 2 middle bolts. Loosen the center bolt to fully release the old blade. Prepare the new auger blade for installation by transferring the middle hole bushings from the old blade to the new one. Position the new blade in the center mounting plate. Secure it with the middle nuts and bolts. Tighten the center bolt. Thread and tighten the side nuts and bolts to secure the 2 ends. Your snowblower should now be ready for use.